Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Rhea and this is a video about why you shouldn't consume refined oils and what you should consume instead of refined oils. So let's talk about that. But before we begin, I request you to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you can be notified every time I post a video. And I also have a home workout channel, workout videos that you can do from the comfort of your own home. If you're interested, check that out. Link is in the description box below. So let's get started. Now, the first reason why you should not consume refined oils is because it's extremely new, right? That does not make it negative, right? But it's only in the 20th century with a lot of technological advancement that we could extract refined oils. And the reason we should not consume them is because they're highly processed, chemically altered, and chemically treated. They are very far from their natural state, right? And treating them chemically, processing them so much changes up the state a lot, and that's not good for us. The second reason why you should not consume refined oils is because they go rancid. They oxidize and they go rancid. And consuming oxidized oil, rancid oil, is really not good for the body. The third reason is that most refined oils are high in omega-6 fatty acids. And omega-6 by themselves are not really harmful. They're present in many foods, but what consuming refined oil does is it disturbs the balance between omega-3 and omega-6, and high levels of omega-6 in the body can lead to inflammation, and inflammation can lead to many diseases and health issues. If you want to know more about inflammation, you can watch my inflammation video, which is on my channel. So those are the three reasons that you should not consume refined oil. One, because they're extremely processed, chemically altered, chemically treated, and that's not good for us. The second reason, that they get oxidized very easily, and consuming oxidized rancid oil has many health issues. The third is that it can disturb the balance between omega-3 and omega-6 because most refined oils are very high in omega-6. So you can replace these oils with one, clarified butter, ghee, right? Ghee does not go rancid. Clarified butter does not go rancid. It has many benefits. It has vitamins such as A, D, and K. So it can really boost our health, but be sure to consume clarified butter in the right quantities, not too much, not too little. The second on the list is butter, right? Butter is also something that does not go rancid, that does not oxidize, and it has omega-3 fatty acids, which are really good for us. So the second option is butter. The third on the list is coconut oil. Coconut oil has many benefits. It has MCTs, medium chain triglycerides, that can help us burn fat and eventually lead to weight loss. And the best part is that coconut oil does not go rancid, right? It's extremely light. It lends a flavor of its own as well. So the third on the list is coconut oil, and the fourth on the list is olive oil. Now, olive oil is great for salads, it's great for adding it onto your vegetables, and it's great for cooking as well, but not too high, right? The temperature should not be too high for olive oil. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and now I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.